how to block or receive your screen time usage weekly report on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on digital well-being and parental controls. From here, tap on the weekly report icon. Next, tap on the more button right next to the weekly report title. And then tap on block notifications, or you can choose receive notifications. And here say you will get a notification each week when your weekly report is ready. So when it's ready, it will send you a notifications which you can tap on it and you can review your screen time usage for the week. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.